right, happy Tuesday night. This is how it started. This is how it's starting. On the side of the road. Toad. Hey. It's a pretty good find. We'll take it. Alright, I'll leave that here. We're gonna have to move some stuff around. Maybe slide you down. That thing's gonna be an issue. Seems like we're picking up a lot of... earlier today we picked up a bigger... what was it, like a bed frame that was put together. It's probably about the same size though. A lot of big stuff. So we'll leave that right here. There we go. Let's go. Ooh, there's something stinky out here. Something out here has something stinky in it. All right, unfortunately, these will not be going to Rusty. These will be going right in. We'll be leaving all the rubber. And taking the rest. All right. So, hope everybody's having a good day. It's a Tuesday, and we are just coming through, figuring it out. Getting it all knocked out. Our friends, the trash men, they're out late right now. It's almost like 6 o'clock. No, it's past 6 o'clock. They're out doing their thing. That thing stabbed me. All right, bunch of bike frames. We like car parts. Isn't that the truth? Oh. Okay. We are just now getting into our normal Wednesday night neighborhood and hoping that maybe everybody went through earlier or something. I don't know. We had caught up with, what was it? It was 2, I think it was 2 last week. 2 different scrappers on this route. So let's see what happens. We just got attacked something close to the house, a grill. So we'll double back that way in a little bit. It's everybody's favorite scrap game. Is it nasty or isn't it? Ooh, it is. It's a little nasty. Don't smell too bad though. It's passable. It's a passable nasty. Whatever that means. Ow! When you figure it out, you let me know. Whatever a passable nasty is. Yow! Alright. Who needs some shelves? We need some shelves. I actually came right down this way. And I didn't... There was an Amazon truck here, so I went around the loop and then I just came back in and hit it. We'll take it. We'll take every little thing we can get tonight. Building. Oh, look at that. It's 10 foot. Nice. We lost a strap. At some point we lost a strap. Today, yesterday, sad day, but it's what happened. There's a lot of like small stuff tonight. And I'm not arguing about that because small stuff adds up. Isn't that the truth? Can I get it? Ain't that the truth? Anytime you guys want to jump in, throw some commentary down, anything like that, I'm down. I am down with it. All right, still early enough in the night that we can just break these things off, make it a whole less archaic in the trailer. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it. Ava got an award yesterday. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Very proud. Very proud. All right, so we got to start getting some room going here. What do we think about that? Oh, that seems silly, but we're gonna get a strap on it. Hey, look what we found. It's for the trash. Sweet. We are trash people. And by we, I mean me and you. I'd like to say it's just me, but you guys watch me. So you're trash people too. Yes, you are. Oh boy, what are we doing? What am I doing with this? We are at 14%. We're gonna do a battery change. Say it with me. Battery change. I got one already. Look at me. Trying to be prepared. I gotta tell you, I am a fan of what's going on tonight. What is this? This is like a whole walking thing. I am a fan. We are we're doing some halfway decent business. These are always good if you can get them stood up nice. And uh-oh, what are we doing? Trapping ourselves in. Look at that. And then that'll build a nice little wall where we can kind of start stacking stuff down all in here. Okay, we are out of that neighborhood. That neighborhood is done for the night. And we are now got a couple of neighborhoods to go. Couple. This one has a couple little neighborhoods in it. I was thinking maybe going and hitting another one real quick, and then going to get that grill. We still got that grill, so grill we can still, and I got that refrigerator at the house too, so may not hit that second neighborhood after this. See how it goes. Holy goodness, that is like dangerous. Let's just take this all right with us. Let's just do that rather than deal with the crazy. Oh. Yeah, that works. Sure. We like printers, don't we? Oh, and this thing's heavy. Heavy. Ugh. Oh, and I know where it's going. Come on, baby. Reason. I knew there was a reason we didn't strap that thing down. And it's bike time in the neighborhood. We're feeling good because it's bike time in the neighborhood. And we're gonna throw some straps right on this thing here. This little chair is really causing fits. I'm gonna say it is. Even that just isn't gonna work, what I just did. It's not gonna work. We gotta find something that will work, but that is not gonna do it. All right, I'm gonna figure this out and I'll bring you guys back. Well, time to see how easy, difficult this is gonna be. Like a lot of things in my life the past couple days have been a little difficult as far as loading stuff. So don't expect this to be much different. Oh, be positive, young Padawan. Be positive. All right, maybe we should get the Oh, maybe. Uh-oh. All she gotta do is roll a little bit. She's getting there, slowly but surely. Here she goes. Here she goes. Oh, we're almost. All right. We got chairs. We got all kind of stuff. We got more bikes. What is this? This thing is stuck to that. I may just start putting these right here. We have all kind of stuff here. All right. Couldn't film too much of the last one. I had a homeowner who was hanging out, talking, and just really didn't want to be on camera. So we still got to go get that grill. So I'm thinking that grill is going to go right there, and then that's going to end up being a night. But it was bike night here. Like, this is going to go in. This one's probably gonna go in too. I don't know, maybe. This one will stay. That one, I don't know. You see how it's all rusted? I mean, just the frame's good, but everything else, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll send Rusty a couple pictures. Either way, all right, that's what we got so far. Let's finish off this neighborhood and go get that grill. Okay. This is it. We're gonna see if we can even get this thing on here. I mean, we're gonna get it on here. The bigger thing is gonna see if we can get the gate closed. Oh, please don't eat me up. Come on. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna work. Often that we're using drills out here, but we need this space. Boom, and now, ladies and gentlemen, we can close the gate. We have filled up. And I think we can call it a night and be pretty happy with what we got. I'm pretty happy. Are you pretty happy? I mean, I think this ended up filling up quite nicely for a Tuesday. Quite nicely. So, we'll take it. We're gonna finish strapping this. Y'all have a good night. We will see you in the morning. Good morning, happy, what day is it? Somebody, anybody, somebody. It's a Wednesday. We're here at the yard. Boom. And it's about to go down. Get this printer off of here. This thing is a beast. Get out of here. All right, this thing here. We may have to do some quick math on this thing. figure out what's going on. So the easiest way is we want this top this thing's all jammed up. What was that? Oh, it was the stupid cord. And me back is not feeling all that star-studded awesome today. This one may look like it's actually not that bad to get out. Maybe just a couple screws. Zing zing to the bing bing. My car's a mess. Anybody wants to come take care of that for me? Yeah, sure. We'll come do your car for you, Mike, no problem. Oh, that left-handed action messes me up. Get out of there. Look at that. That's a nice little pickup right there. I guess why we got this right here. Might as well take this little piece off right here. Boom. Mr. Mike this morning. All right, I like it. Get that out of here. We gotta not lose this. I feel like this is a bunch of, this thing's been chaos ever since it got in here. It's been nothing but chaos. Why are you so chaotic? Get out of here. Oh, let's use this thing as a boomerang. What do we want to hit? What are we hitting? Don't know. Give it a, oh, look at that thing. I like it. Let's analyze some bikes. See which ones we're taking and which ones we're not. Because there are going to be some that we're not. This is gonna be our only run of the day. Only run of the day, you say? Yes. Unfortunately, we do have to go pick up a freezer. Hopefully it's still there when we get back. What is going on here? This thing's all just a tangled web. A tangled web of something. Come on. Oh, come on. This one we're saving. What is the whole issue here? Oh, yeah, this thing's jacked up. Yeah, some of the bikes are going today. Sorry, folks. Some of the bikes are going. Some are staying. Some are gone. I mean, this one's nice and light. I think all the parts are pretty much still there. So, you're a keeper. Must figure this one out too. Come on. Quit playing around. There you go. All right. Look at us go. Oh, gradient flow. Boom. All right. 2 bikes. Like it. This one, trash bin. Tires, and I was told that kids' bikes need to be a little bit better, you know. Boy, this thing. And it just scratched me. Oh, I want to throw you in the pile now. But we're gonna keep you. You're a good one. You can come with us. All right, well, that wasn't so bad. Only 2. Oh, it got me right in the knee pit. Scratch, scratch. Right in the knee pit. That's an interesting spot to get tattooed too. I wasn't even really close to there. I was questioning some life decisions. Oh yeah, because the legs are all rusted out. I was gonna check it, but if the legs are rusted out and it's not aluminum, silly. Hey, we found our cutters. They had been MIA. I could tell you, I'm a little beat up. I feel it. I haven't even been running or doing stuff like that, but I am a little beat up. And I have to take all my solar down this weekend. All of it comes down. We're getting a new roof. So we gotta take all that stuff out, take it all down. So, because of work, the only real time I have to do it is this weekend. And my brother-in-law is gonna help me. So, yep. That should be fun. And I'm being totally sarcastic there, because that is not going to be fun. That shouldn't be too bad. I don't have to put them back up either. I got one of my buddies who runs a solar company who's gonna come and put them back up for me, because I don't want to do it. Boy, my life around here with the magnets. Thing's neat, but see ya. See ya. Almost done with an unload. You have been unloaded. Here we are. You know where we are. That man's place. That man's establishment. You ready? Do some light? Huh? Brand new. Brand new? Brand new. New in the box. Not anymore. Why, you want them?
I know where you got this.
Where'd you get that?
Across the street from my kid's mom's house.
Yep.
And the AC compressor.
Yep.
And some brakes.
Yep.
Because I almost grabbed them yesterday.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But I was like, well, I don't have my truck no more, so it's not, you know.
Right. I thought about you when I grabbed them.
Yeah, why?
Just because I knew it was right next door to you. Does that go in there? Dude, I'm gonna take the screws out of this thing real quick. Need a little persuader. I think I got it off. If I got the right side.
Those are lithium. Oh, it's
right.
big.
I need to get it out of here so I can.
That's the first time I've ever seen one.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Heck yeah. What's going on? Sick of looking at this thing. Sick of it. Can't do it no more. Boom. Good, ready for light? That thing's been riding in there for way too long. Ugh. That bad nasty? Where you want to go with her? Same place as always. Let me help you, you big beast.
Ready?
Ready.
Uno, dos, tres.
Look at us.
Cuatro, cinco, seis.
So multicultural. All right. That's it. That's a day. We keep the cords. Yeah. Those always help a little. I said those always help a little. Yeah, I think that's it.
Are you parking right now? Yeah. What's the plan for today?
I gotta go play plumber.
Play plumber?
Yep.
Where?
Dentist's office.
Oh, and change the filters out?
Huh?
Change the filters out?
No, it's they got water coming from the floor somewhere. Yeah.
That's no good.
So I'm just gonna go see. So I don't do slab leaks. I ain't got the earmuffs or anything like that. So I'm gonna go see if I could pin it down to a wall or something. And
hopefully they don't have to rip up a slab.
this place is about ready to get all remodeled anyway. All right, this water is so much lower than it was the last time we were here. So much cleaner too. This was all, it was all way up there. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that shell. That wasn't on there. That was. Oh, hey, what do we got here? Boom. Oh. Fishing pole holder. It didn't work so good. It's kind of neat. Get in. Oh, we got something. What did we get? A little chunk of metal. There's something over there. There is something right over in this area. A lot of police activity down here. Border Patrol, Sheriff. Who knew? Who knew St. John's was such a hotbed for activity? Certainly not I. There it was on there, and it came off. What do you think that was? Some kind of fishing. Looked like a hook. Bunch of rust. I guess this was... Oh wow, look at that. That thing was filled up. We hit that line, that main vein there. You have like this center point down there with things just kind of fall into it like a groove. Let's see. More rust. End of a fishing hook. More rust. Little baby. That's the second one of the day. All right, let's see what we got today. We got some kind of like fishing pole holder, a couple shotgun shells. This one's still full. That one's spent. Got a Corona cap, a couple screws, a couple big pieces of metal, a drill bit, another like fishing piece of something, I don't know, something with a piece of metal in it. Got a good friend, the spring, and a couple bolts. So nothing too crazy, but we didn't get shut out either. You can definitely say we got rusted, bunch of rust, but every little bit we pull out is probably good for the river. So all right, that's it. Have a good day. We're done. Ooh, 10%. 10%. We gotta hurry through this thing. All right, so that was a day. We did like a little over 1,300 pounds, pretty close to that for, I just got to keep an eye on this, for $120, about 120 even. So overall, not a bad day last night. And then we did a little magnet fishing. I'm gonna put a little clip in there. Went and did some magnet fishing today. So that was fun as well. An hour and 5 minutes left on the thing. Holy moly, how much did I film? So yeah, anyway, that's a day. That's a, oh, we didn't format this thing. That's a day. I do want to give you all a PSA real quick, little public service announcement. Do this whole YouTube thing, it's fun, it's all that. Just know, if you are a local scrapper and you show up in my neighborhood scrapping my routes, especially my home route, because you watch me on YouTube, I'm not gonna be okay with that. You know, you're taken out of my pocket when you do that. It's one thing if you're just out running, but if you're watching me and then you're trying to jump my routes, it's not cool. It's not cool, man. So I said, forget that. I was gonna buy washers and dryers off of him and make him a little extra money. But if he's gonna try to jump all my routes, then I can't do that. Sorry, you're on your own. Good luck to you too, because I like competition. I'll run for 15 hours a day if I need to, just cause. So hopefully I don't get to that, but it is what it is. So anyway, yeah, that was it. That was it for the day. We only did that one run. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So if you head over to Sugar Bee Cookie Company, Iron Beard Yoga, all the usual suspects, Katie and Natty's Fun Adventures, Nacho Stuff, Packer Scrapper, Non-Fair's Jeff, and all of everybody else out there. Yep. So here's a quote. Nobody's perfect. We make mistakes. We say the wrong things. We do the wrong things. We fall. We get up. We learn and we grow. We move on, because that is life. That is the truth. I love you guys. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. See you later.